Test, hope this works. I hope this does now, sorry. Hey there everyone, this is DQ'ed here. If you choose my new YouTube user profile, it says Game Dragon. Even if you call me Game Drake or Game Dragon, it doesn't bother me. I accept both names. I'm going to play all the entries for the VLDC12 contest for FNWC, or Super Mario Bros. Century if you want to be exact. Yes, a VLDC does mean vanilla level design contest. I'll begin with this entry, which is actually mine. Anyway, let's turn on the entry. As you can see, there is nothing and skip because I really want this. Skip. I really want to skip this. Skip. Perfect. Vanilla Secret 3, here's my entry. There's the volume. Perfect. You can read this if you want. Okay, as well as this message. Oh wait. After you've done reading, let's go. There's a mushroom. I did these tasks by using map 16. Yes, these almost use a page. As you can see, lighter versions hurt you and darker versions don't. The plant over there doesn't, and the ceiling Buzzy Beetles and the Buzzy Beetles bony beetles down there too. The chin doesn't, and the magic Koopa doesn't. Anyway, spin jump on the football and then spin on the scooper and only got the dragon coin. Hey there, Chuck, what's up? I nearly got into you, by the way. Stop on the blue Koopa and progress some more. Got the dragon coin and then stop on that Koopa and dodge that bit, which is interesting. Midpoint. And got the third dragon coin. Here's the power up, the fire flower. Also 4 and 5, just for good measure. Enter this 5 for the second section of the entry. If you want more coins, then here you go. Okay, good. Watch out because ball and chains are suspended in the air. As well as spikes. Yeah, sorry for that thing. I'm not getting mean Bowser at you that jumps. As well as... Okay, you got me. I commend your effort. Still 4 dragon coin is here. Also under an extra fire flower, and this is a bit difficult. If you thought that's hard, the alternate section is harder than this. Yes, I know it is. It is. Okay, that's dragon coin, and of course you can hop over here to see what you missed. Also, here's the gold tape. That 30 over there means the 30th anniversary of my parents, because they celebrated this 2 weeks ago. Anyway, I'll be back on this entry again. Okay, back to this midpoint. To the left is the alternate path, but the access says you need to be a bit clever. Make a bridge consisting of those four brown blocks over there and stomp on the clapping chuck. Come on, follow me, thank you. Might as well duck for efficiency. Now enter this path for the castle-like section of this entry. As you can see, this pours some more work here than on the other entry, on my entry, sorry. There's natural threads here, and this By the way, there is the moon if you want to get to it. How short you have to end them with this alternate party. I've turned them with this alternate path. Hit the switch. Also, that poses easy to dodge, as well as you. The real movement is over there, and I need to backtrack. I'll be back. Sorry for those hits. I hit the switch and then it should be easier. The real movement was right there, with the vertical Koopa moving in the air, vertically. Here's another power if you want to, and this is the exit passage. Also spin jump on this bony dry bones, and on the fuzzy and the two grinders that come. Now to this point for this ending. Watch out for this Koopa, because they will ambush you. I could see we're done, but not yet, because I need to do another thing. See back at that real moon section. Okay, back here. Be clever on this one. Huh! Yes, got it on the first try. Stop on this blue Koopa, and for the real moon, that's your reward. This was Game Dragon here, or Game Dragon, whatever. You can call me whatever you want. See, perhaps on my next entry,